Miracles. So today I'm going to show you how to put on this sample card. And I wanted to show you guys satin hands, soft as a bunny. I can make these for you, 15. Give as a gift or keep for yourself. You wash your hands, put the lotion on. It smells fantastic. Then we're going to use this card. So if you receive this card, we're going to open up the foil right here. And this is a dash out the door. So I'm going to see if I can do this in 5 minutes because that's what we're saying. And we also sell these eye smudgers to add the eyeshadow. We're going to start with the hazelnut, number 1, hazelnut. And you just, after you take the foil off, you just brush it on the card. And I always start from the number 1, you start from the outside and you go in. All right. Today they're having a fish fry for the 3rd waivers, so pray that they get to their trip safely. I ordered a plate. I'm not gonna be able to eat it, but I did order one. Okay, so there's that. I didn't realize they were having that fundraiser when I planned this party. So that's why we're rescheduling it for the 13th. They'll already be on their trip. All right, now I'm gonna move down to the Emerald Noir color. Just brush it on. Did you know there was a painter back in the day that actually would have had a TV show and he would just paint and people were calmed down by the painting of the brush? And now there's so many people out there that are doing makeup videos and people actually really love to watch it because it's a form of therapy. I think women that take time to put makeup on in the morning, they're actually in a better mood, they're calmer because they took the time for themselves. And then we're gonna do the Biscotti is this white color that we're gonna do at the top. Let's see, the direction's gonna be way up here. And like imagine if you just had a chaotic day or a chaotic night. Even when I can't sleep good, if I take the time to put my makeup on in the morning, I like get re-energized. Because you have to also use the creative part of your brain. It can't always be just task oriented, like, you know, you have to balance. And for me, making these videos and doing my color, look, I love it. I can see on this side different than this side. And then look, we have this brush cleanser, which of course every week you should wash this with Dawn soap and then let it dry flat so it doesn't get down in the bottom. But in between uses, we have this at Mary Kay, a brush cleanser, and you just spray it till it's like pretty damp, and then you just get a paper towel or a clean towel and and smells good. Nice and clean. And you just brush it like that and then lay it flat on your table and it's ready. It'll be ready to go the next day, and it keeps it sanitized and clean. Really important. It helps you not to get bacteria, especially when you use your blushes. So now also on this card we have the number 4 and it's Desert Rose. So take our brush, and these sample cards are so cool. And oh, I got kind of dusty, but just kind of tap off the extra, and then I like smile and kind of like, you know, just cautiously dab it on at first, and then you can blend it more in a minute. And I go from like I think they call this the cherry, the apple of your cheek, because it shines like an apple. And then you just start blending. When you come to the party, we're also gonna do mascara. I have mascara samples. If you got the card, you don't have the mascara samples, but come to the party and you can do the mascara samples, and then we even have the contour and all that. And then we're going to do the lip gloss. There is a lip gloss on the card right next to it. Oh, I forgot to spray my brush, get it nice and damp, and then just brush it on my towel. Leave it on the towel. Well, you could probably put it, isn't this so cute too? Sister Margie has all these cute things, but she's scared to get on the camera, so I get to show them off. It says, be as bold as your lipstick, but she put her brushes in there. You can put your lip gloss in there, whatever you want to do. And then we're gonna get to put our lips on. I only did half of an eye. I mean, I only did one eye because I don't want to take too much of your time. But, and you can see the difference that way. And it's like, you just pull off the lid and then put it on. So important to take this time for yourself. And it's not selfish. It's actually selfless, because you're going to walk around more confident. You're going to walk around being something pretty to look at, and you're going to make more friends, have better relationships. It's just a way healthier lifestyle to live. Let's see. I'm going to show you just half the face because I look funny only having one eye done. But that is our green look. And I have two other samples that you'll be able to pick when you come. And then we're gonna read a cute story, and we're gonna say, whenever it says to the left, you pass it to the left. Whenever it says right, you're gonna pass it to the right, and then we're gonna see who gets the prize. I'm so excited. Oh, and then mascara. I was like, I know I'm forgetting something. So this is the waterproof mascara, but we're gonna sample the Lash Noir. The Lash Noir is Birdie's favorite. It's actually becoming my favorite, but I want to use the one I already bought first. The waterproof one, it's really good for church, or you know, if you're gonna be at something emotional, a wedding or a funeral, and you might cry. This waterproof one's perfect. But you're definitely gonna need the eye makeup remover to get it off, because it doesn't come off very easily. But with this eye makeup remover, it's $20, and you shake it up and it just comes off, and it doesn't break your eyelashes at all. So see, oh, before and after on this side. So thank you guys for watching. This took 8 minutes and 53 seconds, but I talked a lot and I showed you a lot more stuff. If you're gonna really dash out the door, you could do it in 5 minutes for sure. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you July 13th at 1 p.m. at Sister Margie's new house. And look, this is all her setup and her stuff. So I can't wait for you guys to come over and we can play all our games, and we're gonna have a great time. All right, God bless you. Have a great day. Bye.